S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow Jones, all the three continued on the corrective path, on the retracement path after the sharp drop last week. Can we expect the bearishness to continue today? Can we expect the drop again, or the reversal is in process and we are looking forward to higher highs again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, India and Dow. Watch till the see what has happened with S&P. It was traded with divergence from the 20 period. The prices have converged, waited for the 20 period to come down, and it is finding a good resistance here from the 20 period. Now let it stay beyond 6052, and you can buy here at 6052 and expect it to move towards 6064, 6080 levels here. Yes, it can move all the way towards 6080, but when you look at the formation, see, after a smaller drop, a bigger retracement, after a bigger drop, a smaller retracement, waited for the 20 period to climb down here, and now finding it difficult to break beyond. But once it does, it is going to deliver a good move. Also notice there is a gap left on the downside which is yet to be filled in between 6020 and 6000 levels, and see, 6000 is the level below which you can consider this is bearish only. As long as it stays above 6000, we have to be cautious with the sells. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone here. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts, likewise, what has happened? See, look at these two candles, higher highs, lower lows, then a reversal symbol has appeared, but I can see that it is delivering lower highs, and if it drops, if it trades beyond 6052, you can expect 6064, to 80, and if it trades above 6080, we can expect more bullishness to prevail all the way towards 6100. It is getting difficult for it to stay bullishly. A very sluggish move is seen, which means it is just waiting for the moving average to climb down, come down, hit the zone, and then reverse. If you look at the MACD, this is on the verge of a crossover. This is not yet crossed over, but yes, it is trading at a quite lower levels. RSI is also just coming out of the oversold zone. Look at the 3 hour chart. Similar observation. See, a flat top is seen. It has to break either on the upside or on the downside. Now this could become reversal sign. If it now trades below 6020 levels, this will become reversal sign, and then you can see series of bearish candles prevailing here. Stochastic at top, MACD is still trading bearish, not yet converged, not yet crossing over. If you look at the RSI, this is trading at the bottom. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts here, similar observation, though the prices are still trading with divergence from the 20-50 period moving average, which are sitting at around 607 to 80 zone, which should be a greater resistance zone. Let's wait for it to hit the zone here. The moving average is starting to converge. RSI at bottom, and on the 4 hour charts also similar observation. Yes, higher highs, lower lows with the preceding candle. Current candle is starting on a bearish note. Only bearishness is confirmed if it trades now below 6020, 6025 zone. If these two levels are taken, you can expect it to fill the gap towards 6010, and below that you can expect it to trade further bearish here. As long as these levels are respected till 6000, do not trade this as bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD extremely bearish, RSI at bottom. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, higher lows are seen. It has created a step, and it might continue with this step formation, which suggests that it is going to be difficult for S&P to trade below 6,000 levels. And yes, if it does trade below 6,000 levels, it is going to be difficult for it to come up as well, because see, below 6,000 we are looking at 5980 and 5960, 5950 zone as the next target zone. It is possible. Look at the dip we have seen, and now it is retracing, so it is possible that it can again start with the drop here. Let's watch out if it breaks below the key support zone here. Stochastic oversold here. MACD is also trading with divergence and bearishness, and see this crossover coming from a slightly higher levels, which suggests that it has lot much of downside available. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, only buying entry now I'll recommend is at 6052. You can buy at 6046 as well, but then 6052 is a very good resistance. If it breaks beyond this, you can expect 6060, 6065 levels, and if these two levels are taken, we are looking at 6080, 6085. Beyond 608085 is where 6100, 6120 should be seen, which appears to be a difficult case as of now for S&P to break. On the down, selling entry can be taken at around 6032, but 6026, 6020 is something you should watch out for. Then 6010 should come at the next support level, and below that 6000. If 6000 is taken, stay short for 5980, 5960 levels at the next targets. Below that, a crash should begin. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq 100 also trying to get the resistance from the 20 period. It is waited for the 20 period to come down. Now what's happening? You can notice lower highs are seen, and that's very important for Tech 100 to trade beyond 21,730,750 zone. If these two levels are taken, rather I will say 21,730,760 levels. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now Tech 100 is turning bullish. Else what's happening? Retracement, then a dip, and then a retracement. It may try to move towards lower lows, and any move below 21,600, any move below 21,600, 580 is a clear sign of more bearishness, which can in fact take it all the way towards 21,500 and 400 levels at the next targets. Indicators are trying to cool down. See, MACD after the crossover trying to trade with moderate bullishness, but yes, it is very early to say, because see, it is trying to bounce back. However, the strength is not very much visible, so wait for it to retrace or again crossover. Right now it is on the buy side. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts. Similar observation here. Is showing a slight retracement side resistance on the upside. Look at these three candles here. Very good resistance is seen here at around 21,730,760. And also notice on the 2-hour charts, prices are still trading with divergence from the 20 period, which calls for it to converge. It is weighted enough for 20 period to come down. Now it may try to converge towards these levels. The stochastic at top, MACD traded with divergence and bearishness. We'll wait for a crossover here. RSI is already at bottom. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, preceding two candles almost symmetrical. Only thing is the last to last candle comes with a tail and the preceding candle comes with a wick. And now if it breaks here on the upside, specifically any move beyond 21,760 should lead to a greater rise here. So be mindful of this. Prices can still reverse, prices can still trade bullish here. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is trading with sharp bearishness. Wait for it to converge crossover. The RSI is trading at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Only thing here is one red candle, then a swing, then current one could be a bigger bearish, but negate the bearishness if it trades about 21,730,760 zone. The stochastic rising, MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI flat at bottom. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easy withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened so far for the day? See, it has started with higher lows and it has delivered higher highs. It is trying to consolidate here, and now once it stays beyond 21,730,760, we'll wait for 21,800, the first prime resistance, and beyond 21,800 is where we can see 21,860 and then 21,920 as the next targets. Possibility is there that it can recover here. The stochastic is anyways oversold, but when you look at the MACD, this is trading with divergence. This is staying bearish, looking downwards. Notice one bearish move, retracement, and now if it has crossed over, and if it trades bearish from here, it can deliver a massive down move here. So looking at this, what I'll recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 21,660, but then 21,620,600 should be a very good support. In fact, I'll say 21,620, 21,580 should be a very good support. Below 21,580 is where you can expect 21,540, 500, and then 21,400 as the next targets. Below 21,400 is where complete bearishness, complete crash should be. On the upside, 21,730, 760 is the zone where you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 21,800, 860, 910, 920, and then 950, 970. If 950, 970 is taken, stay bullish for 22,050 and higher levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. The US 30 traded with moderate bullishness. Notice what it has done. It was trading with divergence. It has converged here. Very important for US 30 to trade beyond 43,800, 820 zone, and that is a zone beyond which you can expect the direct movement, direct target towards 43,900 levels. Beyond this, 44,000 will be seen. Notice what is happening. Rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace higher lows and higher highs are seen. Where are the support levels? Now the support level still towards 43,600 is pretty strong, and now 43,600, 43,500 is the zone which you should watch out for. Any drop below 43,500 is a clear sign of more bearishness, where it can continue to move downwards and fill the gap all the way towards 43,400 levels. Though the stochastic has stopped and the MACD has also crossed over, it is right now trading under retracement, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI has also come out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, one drop, retracement, second drop, retracement. Now imagine if this keeps on continuing here. First thing is it can hit towards 20 period moving average, which is right now at 43,800, and from there also the reversal may kick in here. And imagine if it delivers a bigger move from here, where the prices are going to be all the way towards 42,000 levels. but it is too early to say that. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is also crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is almost flat and it is nearing to bottom. On the 3 hour chart, similar observations, see higher lows and higher highs. Possibility of a move towards 43,800, 43,900 exists is strong here. Here the stochastic is overbought, while the MACD after the sharp dip it is trying to converge crossover. The RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone, and the similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Under retracement, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. Current candle might also continue on the upside. On the downside, as I said, till 43,500, do not treat this as bearish here. Very, very clear. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is at bottom here. Coming to now on the daily charts, notice the formation. First of all, the prices are outside pulling a band. Second, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. And now once it stays beyond 43, 757, 760, you can expect 43,800, 43,900, and then in fact 44,000 levels. Beyond 44,000 is a major bullish momentum to be seen all the way towards 44,200. Yes, definitely the indicators are slightly extra bearish, and thus you need to be trading with caution. See, at this point itself, I have mentioned it is drawing a symmetry. It can hit the bottom here. It is still trading with the bearishness here. So looking at this, what you can do, I will recommend you to buy at 43,750 levels, expect 43,800, 43,889.20, and then 44,000 levels as the next targets. Beyond 44, we are looking forward to 44,200 levels, but too early to conclude with that. However, beyond 44,000, certainly the bullish momentum should prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. On the downside, the selling entries are at 43,650 levels, but then 43,600, 43,540, 43,500. Below 43,500 is where the bears will take over. As long as it stays above 43,500, do not treat this as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Do press the bell icon. Do join the free Telegram channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.